There is only one presence and one power active within me and throughout the universe. God, the good, omnipotent.
Hello, and welcome to our podcast. This is Unity Church of Chatsworth. Our spiritual leader, Reverend John Washington, and I am Michelle Washington, RN, pastoral nurse.
May the words of my mouth and the meditations of my heart be acceptable in thy sight, O Lord. Paraphrasing from the Gospel of Luke. Luke chapter 1, starting with verse 28. The angel went to Mary and said, "Greetings, you are highly favored. The Lord is with you." Mary was greatly troubled by his words and wondered what kind of greeting this might be. But the angel said to her, "Do not be afraid, Mary, for you have found favor with God." And so it is. Amen.
From The Revealing Word by Charles Fillmore, co-founder of Unity. The metaphysical meaning of angel. An angel is a messenger of God. The projection into consciousness of a spiritual idea direct from God. An angel represents the word of truth in which is centered the power of God to overcome all limited beliefs and conditions. One night, a Viking named Rudolph the Red was looking out the window when he said to his wife, "It's going to rain tonight." His wife asked, "How do you know?" He answered, "Because Rudolph the Red knows rain, dear."
Michelle, when we were at Unity Chapel, Unity Village Chapel, and we served, I think, one Christmas or more, we were in a play.
Yes.
It was called the Metaphysical Christmas.
Yes.
And we were asked to be the angel and the shepherd and certainly various different roles in the play. And that was a very special time for us.
Sure.
So I'm thrilled to even reflect on it. I still feel the word is goosebumps.
Okay, and the opportunity, and I think we can all take this opportunity if we choose to. We can go to the not to the Revealing Word, but to the Metaphysical Bible Dictionary and look into the interpretations of the different characters within the Nativity story.
Thank you, Michelle.
Yeah.
It is not I, but the Christ within who does the work.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. Have a blessed week.
Our thoughts are prayers, and we are always praying. Our thoughts are prayers. Be careful what you're saying. Seek a higher consciousness, a state of peacefulness, and know that
This
God
is the day that the Lord hath made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. And so it is.